morning.
Good morning. It's 8 o'clock and we're in Nassau again.
Better day.
Yeah.
It was rainy yesterday. There's Disney coming in.
Yesterday the weather was horrible. He sees the Disney ship coming.
Been running beside us all night.
Yeah.
It was rough last night.
It was very rough last night. We are in our balcony room now. It's really nice.
Yeah, thank goodness.
Pat won at the casino last night.
Again.
Yeah. And then I'm getting ready to go run on the track. And Pat's going to go get some stuff.
Coffee. Decaf coffee.
Yeah, you can go get him some decaf coffee.
So anyway, alright, so she's going to go work out. I'm going to go eat. And then maybe I'll go for a walk while she's laying out in the sun.
You never know.
You never know. Alright. See you in a little bit.
Bye-bye.
Noisy boats. Bye. This is the pesky parrot. I walk by and he starts talking. He looks so real. That bird looks so real. And he bites. Getting ready for the parade tonight. Will she ever get her whale tail back? We are in Nassau. It's around noon, and you wouldn't know it. Yes, nobody got off the ship. guy.
He's trying to get me fat. I only want it once.
And I got French onion soup. Klein just keeps bringing us food that we really don't want.
Did you get a Caribbean chicken? It smells so
She got
good.
double rice.
It smells so good.
Oh, it looks so yummy. And I wish I had smell-o-vision. It is so smelly, so good. Love that jerk. Well, I know. You never mind. Terry got the pineapple sunshine cake. And I got the pineapple sunshine cake. All right, it's that time.
Casino, and we both lost our money.
Both lost. I bragged today, and I shouldn't have bragged.
He was bragging.
Why am I
No, we
losing?
lost our money already.
You lost too.
So, I know, I said we
All right.
lost.
Well, I'm gonna walk her up, and guess where I'm coming back to?
You're gonna come back
I'm
down
coming
to
back
lose
to
some
kick
more.
it ass. Cool. That's it. All right. So anyway, why are you drinking that?
And it's so good.
Oh.
It's a good way to close the night.
Yep.
The chocolate martini.
Yep. All right. Like I said, we were in Nassau. Did you notice how many people were still on the ship?
Probably nobody got
I'll
off.
bet half the people stayed on the ship.
Probably nobody got off.
But anyway, so tomorrow, Coco Cay. We'll definitely get off tomorrow.
If the weather's not,
Yeah, we don't get to go to Hideaway Beach, so
if the weather's not nice,
nope, we'll just stay and
hopefully it'll
find
be
something to do on the ship. But hopefully it's going to be nice.
It was a great day other than losing our money.
My money. All right.
I'm ready to go to bed.
All right. Jody's holding it.
Yeah.
All right. So anyway, dinner was good. That was some spicy chicken, let me tell you.
Yeah, it was Caribbean.
But it
night.
was good. It was
It was
Caribbean.
very good.
All right. So she's
It was
gonna
a great day.
go to bed, and I'm gonna walk her up and come back down, and I'm gonna win some money.
Do it all again tomorrow.
I hope.
Cheers.
All right. See you in the morning. See you at Coco Cay.